When I'm in a creative flow, I feel like I'm usually unconscious and being present at the same time, just fully embracing the unknown. Whatever I hear or whatever I have in my head, I just let it out first. From there, I'll just grab little pieces and improvise. Even I just record me talking and I start processing the sound and layering the sound and using stuff that people don't normally use to express myself in the authentic way. And there's no limit for creativity here. That just makes me feel this freedom of expression, and I am very thankful for this journey.